antibacterial dishwashing liquid at Knorr Cubes.
Ang nakaraan sa Kitchen Superstar.
Pasiklaban na.
Sa isang makasaysayang cooking showdown, nagharap-harap ang top 3 finalists ng Kitchen Superstar. Ang mommy from Baguio na si Ting, ang rakista cook ng Iloilo na si TJ, at si Ara, ang big mama ng Quezon City.
Ang inyong final showdown, ang magluto ng isang menu na nagpapakita ng inyong sariling style at character bilang cook. 3 courses ang kailangan niyong lutuin. Appetizer, main course, at dessert. These 3 courses will be the most important dishes that you'll ever make in your life.
Si Ara, nanatiling true to her specialty na lutong bahay. Ang kanyang comfort food menu, sinimulan niya with chicken cauliflower salad bilang appetizer.
I think you were very successful. Successful ka doon sa sasabi na comfort food ang iyong pakay. Comfort food nga to.
Medyo masyado siyang simple para sa isang ganitong level na ng competition.
In general, if we are talking about championship, dapat we expect na something different.
The next appetizer is from TJ.
European ang influence ng malagermay na menu ni TJ na sinimulan niya with his appetizer na okroshka o cold soup.
TJ, of the 3 contestants, ikaw ang pinaka-brave. And that is a virtue that you must cultivate. There are some things that I have to comment about the soup. It's very difficult for a culture like the Filipinos to like cold soup, although we should be having cold soups. Dapat. Pero yung pagbo-water down ng mayonnaise, medyo mahirap tanggapin ng crowd yan kasi medyo parang ano yan oil and egg mix yan Another one is just a reminder. When you're cooking, yung dangling bracelet, that's a no-no in a professional cuisine.
Salamat, Chef Jean.
In-order ko yan sa isang restaurant. Maliligayahin ako, masarap. No? Ang palagay ko yung nagkulang lang sa presentation na ng konti. Pwede pa siguro ma-improve ng konti presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much, TJ. And the last appetizer is from Ting.
Yung menu ko po, gusto ko po talagang mag-present ng something kilala ng Filipino, pero gusto ko siyang i-serve na may atake na in unusual way. And as appetizer, madali siyang kainin. Tsaka, since uso ngayon ng fad ngayon ng pagkain ng vegetarian food, so walang halong meat. Healthy at tsaka mura.
Hindi ka naman vegetarian, Ting, ano?
Hindi naman po.
I like the smell of your station. I was medyo napapalapit ako doon sa amoy ng station niya. Dito sa dish na to, magandang take off to sa lumpiang sariwa at saka dun sa inari sushi concept. Although as a vegetarian dish, I think it's a very good try. Although I wish that there was a little more of the fifth flavor, yung tinatawag nating linamnam sa Tagalog. If you push this dish a little more, I think you have a very good recipe going, no?
Ako nagustuhan ko sa kanina in-observe ko si Ting. Nakita ko na nung nagluluto ka kanina, meron kang taong in mind habang pinaprepare mo to. Napakahalaga, no? Maganda. I enjoyed this dish very much. Congratulations.
Well, sa akin naman, Ting, no, as far as my observation kanina, natuwa ako dahil para bang nasa hotel ka na. You are very busy with your preparations, with you have from the steaming, yung dessert mo, di may ginagawa ka rito. Parang assuming na you work as a hotelier na. So parang kumbaga malapit ka na doon sa professionalism na tinatawag natin na na-meet mo na yung standard kung ano ba talaga ang isi-serve mo. With regards to the crispiness of yung sutanghon ba yan, nandoon. Then yung sauce mo, the combinations, okay. Plus yung vegetable is crunchy. And the tofu as well is talagang luto rin. So, I would say, just a good, natumbok mo yung lasa ng as a Filipino.
Thank you po, Chef. Thank you po.
At ito na ang ating second round. Masters of the Table, handa na ang ating mga cooks para i-present ang kanilang main course.
Explore Alaska, Europe, the Caribbean, and Asia on board Royal Caribbean. Explore the world like never before with Royal Caribbean Cruises. Visit us at www.royalcaribbean.com or call Royal Caribbean Philippines at 892-2701-203 or 894-3597.
Mag-ingat sa maliliit na mga nilalang dahil maaari na ang